In today's episode, let's learn how to bake a cake from scratch. This might not be a recipe video, but more of a how-to video. I'm going to teach you how to bake a cake from scratch in 5 easy steps, and today's flavor is a lemon cake. In tomorrow's episode, I'll show you how to decorate this 3.6 kg cake. And without further ado, let's get started. In step 1, we are going to mix the margarine and the sugar till it's pale and fluffy. I'm also going to be scraping the edge of the bowl so that everything can be well combined. This may take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. You can use a hand mixer or any other tool that you have. You can also use a spatula, you can use a mwiko, a wooden spoon, a stick, a handheld mixer, a whisk, or any other tool that you may prefer. In step 2, we are going to add in our eggs one at a time. In the third step, we are going to add in our flavor, and in today's episode, I'm using the lemon flavor. You can also add vanilla or any other flavor that you may prefer. We're almost there, and we're in the fourth step. In this step, we are going to be adding in our flour. If you're using all-purpose flour, ensure you add in your baking powder, but I use self-freezing flour. When using self-freezing flour, you do not need to add any baking powder. Add in your flour in 2 to 3 batches as you mix properly till the batter is smooth enough and there are no patches of flour. Then we'll proceed to our last step. finally, we are done. You're going to transfer your batter in a baking tin and bake it in a preheated oven. The baking time always varies depending on the tin size that you use. You can bake anywhere between 25 to 50 minutes. To know if your cake is ready, always insert a skewer at the middle of the cake, and if it comes out clean, know that your cake is ready. If it comes out wet, know that your cake is not ready and give it a few extra minutes. As promised, this is the easiest way to bake a simple cake at home. Join me in tomorrow's episode. We are going to be decorating this birthday cake. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something new. I also hope you're going to try this out and let me know how you find it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.